Manifest. My topic is Gandhi Jayanti. ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम टापे थर-थर सुनकर उनका नाम रे। कत्ता उनका छोटा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के। माटी पुकारे तुझे देश अब पुकारे, आजा रे बापू आजा रे, भूले हम राहें हमें राहें दिखा दे, आजा रे बापू आजा रे। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। थैंक यू। हैप्पी गांधी जयंती all.
My name is Sister Narina Den. I am going to talk about Mahatma Gandhi's poem. Keep your thoughts positive, because your thoughts becomes your word. Keep your word positive, because your words becomes your behavior. Keep your behavior positive, because your behavior becomes your habit. Keep your habits positive, because your habits becomes your value. Keep your value positive, because your value becomes your destiny. Mahatma Gandhi Jai Hind. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Myself Abhinay Khade. Today I am singing a song on Mahatma Gandhi, our favorite Gandhi Bapu. ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। बंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम, बंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम। दुबले से कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के। बंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम, बंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम। थैंक यू।
Respected principal, respected teachers and my friends, my name is Ashir. I am from grade 2 and my division is A and my roll number is 10. Today we are making Gandhiji's Three Monkeys bookmark. First I am going to stick these googly eyes. Now I am going to make the mouth and the nose of the monkey. This monkey says never say bad. Now our bookmarks are ready. Thank you so much and bye.
My name is Shaurya. I am from second C. My roll number is 19. Today I am making Gandhiji Three Monkeys. Let's start. Alright.
morning, teacher. My name is Amar Santosh Sate. I am third standard. My school name is KCA International School. I am making chakal.
चालू.
Many leaders in the West. What he saying, he is teaching his principle. For his principles, the 152nd birth event anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi gives us an opportunity to recall the four fundamental principles that Mahatma Gandhi taught. First one, Satya means truth.
चालू.
Second, Ahimsa means non-violence. Sarvodaya means welfare of all. And fourth, Satyagraha means peaceful protest. These principles can hold together. Mahatma Gandhi was firm in his principles, and he said that firm if you are firm in the truth, in the long run, truth in the long run, you are going to win. In India, he won independence from freedom with having to fight and do a war. Gandhiji's strength lay in the power of his and examples of commitment to finding and practicing truth. Jai Hind and happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Nagi Mukhi. I am from 4th IGC. My roll number is 6 and my school name is KCS Top Officer International School. Today I would like to sing a series of non-violent ahimsa about Gandhi Jayanti. So let me start. Gandhiji took a religious principle of ahimsa, doing no harm common to Buddhists, Hindus, and Chinese, and turned it into a non-violent tool for mass action. He didn't use it to fight only cardinal rules, social evils such as racial discrimination and untouchability as well. Thank you. Good morning to all of you. My name is Michelle Merlejish. I am from 6th IGA. I am going to speak few words on a very famous quote by Mahatma Gandhi on education. Live as you were to die tomorrow. Learn as you were to live forever. This quote means we should live as there is only one day left for us. Means to be angry with no one. To be loving, caring, faithful with all our responsibilities. But Gandhiji says we should learn as we live forever. Means education is very important. We need to, in our daily lives, to have good manners, to speak well, to behave well with others, to write well, to present well, to be confident in all that we do. Now, I am going to speak few words on the one who said this. It's none other than our dear Bapuji. Mahatma Gandhi is popularly known as the father of nation. He was born on October 2, 1869 as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. By non-violence and truth, he led India in the freedom. Thank you.
One slide. The meaning behind this quote is don't be afraid to live life and try something new. Let life be the reason you are living. Now I'm going to explain the second point. First they will ignore you, then they will criticize you, then they will try to copy you, and then you will win. This means never let anyone to lose your confidence. Just go through your own way. They will ignore you, criticize you, laugh at you, and you should ignore them. And then finally, when you got the success, others will try to copy you to get the success too, and then you will win. I hope you will like the explanation of Mahatma Gandhi's quote. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Preet Gagat from class 7th A. Today I am presenting a mono act on cleanliness thoughts by Mahatma Gandhi. So let's start. Hello everyone, I am Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. You all must know me as the father of the nation. But do you know what is my basic teaching? I always say cleanliness is most important for physical well-being and a healthy environment. It is essential for everyone to learn about cleanliness, hygiene, sanitation, and the various diseases that are caused due to poor hygienic conditions. I also said sanitation is more important than independence. I will not let anyone walk through my house with their dirty feet. I always dwelt on cleanliness and good habit because this is related to the good health. No one should spit or clean his nose on the street. This is our India. We must keep it clean always. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Pratyush Singh from 7th GA. Today I am going to present a mono act on Gandhiji basic teaching value, that is ahimsa. So let's start. Hello, I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I have to visit you on the occasion of my birthday just to make you remember again that I am really sad to see that the ahimsa value of a mankind is forgotten by all of you today. I can see many incidents in the society today which is only himsa, and you people are the new spectators of it. What is ahimsa? Generally, ahimsa means non-violence, but for me it has much higher infinity, much higher meaning. It means that you may not offend anybody, you may not have an uncharitable thought, even in connection with those who consider you enemy. That the ahimsa value of a mankind is forgotten by all of you today. I can see many incidents in the society today which is only himsa, and you people are the new spectators of it. What is ahimsa? Generally, ahimsa means non-violence, but for me it has much higher infinity, much higher meaning. It means that you may not offend anybody, you may not have an uncharitable thought, even in connection with those who consider you enemy. To one who follows the doctrine, there are no enemies. The word non-violence is a translation of the Sanskrit term ahimsa. Its positive form is ahimsa. means the largest love, the greatest charity. True and non-violence are the two sides of a same coin. So follow the path of ahimsa in your life and be a responsible citizen of the free nation. Understand the value of it. Jai Hind.
Good morning. My name is Aisha B. I am from 8th standard, 8th IG. Roll number 3. Today I am going to say few lines of Gandhiji's concept on education. Gandhiji's view on education is a source of inspiration for students around the world. He believed that students should be taught in such a way it should not only burden this horizon of thoughts but also draw them closer to their culture and transition. If we follow his education philosophy, we can make our country a wonderful place. Gandhiji also told us, if we want to reach a real peace in this world, we should start educating students. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Sheikh Aksa from grade 9. My roll number is 1. Today I will be speaking on concept of education. Gandhiji's contribution to education is very unique. He was the first Indian who advocated a scheme of education based upon the essential values of Indian culture and civilization. Gandhiji's philosophy of education is naturalism in its setting, idealism in its aim, and pragmatism in its method. His philosophy of education is a harmonious blending of idealism, naturalism, and pragmatism. Gandhiji's idea on education is very innovative. His idea of vocational education was so unique that even nowadays it is being promoted by the government of India. Thus, Gandhian education scheme is very relevant today. The only need is to give it more attention and chance. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.